Concrete 101. CSOM, concrete light pole base in 10 steps from start to finish. Now let's start with building our rebar cages. What we have done here is made some jigs with some extra to buy fours to hang your cages from and tied our cages together. Using a saddle style wire tying technique, then cut and screwed our boxes together. After digging your holes using an auger and placing correct length of sonotubes in the hole, making sure to level both the sides and the tops. Now let's design and cut our bolt templates using 5/8 thick plywood according to the specs and assemble the bolts to the templates we've made. Combine all of the components and run your conduit. After assuring the correct placement of all components, we screw everything in place, tape screw heads and bolt threads, so when it's time to strip you don't have any problems. Now, time to pour.
What? Ah!
I do the blubber. Concrete very much.
That's right, boy.
It looks like it's starting.
Now we make our first pass with our float and remove the box and cross members. Then wait till concrete has set up some and strip the sonotube and float in top and sides, then let's put a nice hand broom finish on it to complete the project.